going to share two reports. First report is about drone strikes which Ethiopian Air Force is carrying out on the positions of Tigray Defense Force. And second report is about the expelling of 7 top United Nations officials, about which United Nations Security Council meeting is to be held. Whether Ethiopia is going to reverse its decision or not. Viewers, now let's move to the first report. As I have already reported that Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar militias along with other allies are present on Afar Tigray border. As per reports, Ethiopian Air Force is conducting drone strikes in and around Ashigoda wind farm, which is close to A2 highway and around 20 km from Mekelle, the regional capital of Tigray. Viewers, these drone strikes are continuing from yesterday. Tigray Defense Force positions have been targeted in these drone strikes. But as per reports, civilians are facing losses in these drone strikes. However, Tigray Defense Force positions are safe. Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces want to enter Tigray region towards Mekelle. They have also tried earlier, but Tigray Defense Force succeed in defending their territory. Tigray Defense Force not only pushed them back into Afar, but also took control of Abala. After the Tigray Defense Force controlling of Abala, Ethiopian Air Force started drone strikes through drones. Viewers, now let's move to the second report. Yesterday, the government of Ethiopia has declared the 7 persona non grata and said that they had 72 hours to the country. The United Nations was shocked after Ethiopia expelled its staff for interfering with its internal affairs. Whereas the expelled officials include the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs and the head of the United Nations Children's Fund in Ethiopia. The United States says it condemned the step taken by Ethiopia in the strongest term possible. However, the United Kingdom asked Ethiopia to reverse the decision with immediate effect. Viewers, United Nations, European Union and Germany as well as several international humanitarian organizations have condemned the expulsion and requested the Ethiopian government to reverse the decision. However, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs said the decision to expel the 7 staff was taken to ensure rule of law and give lesson for others. Some international organizations which were licensed to deliver health related services are found wreaking havoc that jeopardize the health condition of the community. Here's today's meeting by members of the United Nations Security Council. will be the ninth since war broke out in Tigray in November 2020. Your question arises whether the Ethiopia will reverse its decision about the expelling of United Nations officials. If Ethiopia don't reverse its decision, then what will be the next plan of United Nations Security Council? Whether they will impose more restrictions on Ethiopia, or this time they decide something else. Viewers, let's see what happened in this meeting. Viewers, for more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.